Hi there. Today we're going to learn about how to change the subscribe form button text in Mailchimp. So here I am in the Mailchimp dashboard. So what you want to do is first go to the forms area on the sidebar and click on other forms. And then if you have a sample forms already, you can edit that. But for me, I don't have any yet. And make sure that the forms that you will edit is using the form builder. Since I don't have a form yet that uses form builder, let's just click on form builder. Let's create a new one. Once that is done, we'll be redirected to this page, and then you can see here from the form builder the forms and response emails option. You can choose from various different forms right here. But for me, for this video, we're going to choose only on the subscribe types of forms. So use any form that you want, but I'll just go with the first one, which is the sign up form. And then as you can see, the sign up form template is right here. And then scroll down, we can see the subscribe button right here. So that's what we want to change. We want to change the text of the subscribe form button into anything that we like. So in order to change it, let's just go back and scroll up. So if you want to design the form, you can do so as well. But since this video focuses on changing the text in the subscribe form button, let's go to translate it and scroll down. You can see we have all of the text that is listed on the form that we just opened. So scroll down and you can see subscribe, and then we can also see a text box beside it. So this just says that the subscribe button has the word subscribe listed on it. So if you want to change it, you can do so as well. Just select the given text beside the subscribe text box, and then let's just put anything that we want. Some common phrases are, instead of subscribe, you can use join now, get started, and so on and so forth. So let's just put join now. And then once we're done, we can click on save translation settings and wait for the form to load. And then once we scroll down again, we can now see that we have changed the subscribe form button from subscribe. Previously it displays the word subscribe, and now it displays the word join now. And that's basically much it for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.